Are you looking with more pet parents opting for at-home grooming? The demand for reliable cordless dog clippers has soared. These tools offer the freedom to groom pets without cords getting in the way. Ideal for anxious or fidgety dogs. In this guide, we review the best cordless dog clippers for home use, evaluating them based on blade quality, noise level, battery life, build, and value for money. Whether you're grooming, list number 1isall dog grooming kit for heavy thick hair and coats, low noise, rechargeable, waterproof. This grooming kit is designed for pet owners with dogs that have dense, heavy coats. The stainless steel fixed blade paired with a ceramic moving blade delivers a smooth and efficient cut, even on mats and thick fur. One of its standout features is the IPX7 waterproof rating, allowing for easy cleaning under running water. With a runtime of up to 150 minutes, it's ideal for extended grooming sessions. Plus, the low-noise design, below 50 dB, helps soothe anxious pets. The clipper includes 6 guide guards, making it versatile for full-body trims. If you're looking for a reliable, quiet, and washable cordless trimmer, this oneisall model offers excellent value. List number 1isall. Dog clippers for grooming thick, heavy coats. Low noise, rechargeable, stainless steel blade, perfect for thick-haired breeds. This model features a precision-engineered stainless steel blade that cuts through matted or coarse fur effortlessly. It includes 6 guide combs for varied lengths and an LCD battery display that keeps you updated on usage. The rechargeable lithium-ion battery runs for up to 120 minutes. And the clipper charges via USB, great for travel or on-the-go grooming. The motor runs quietly, ensuring a low-stress grooming experience. If you want a balance of power and comfort, this clipper is a solid pick for tackling tough coats. List number 1isall dog clippers and paw trimmer kit 2-in-1. Low-noise, cordless clippers for pet hair. This 2-in-1 grooming solution combines a standard clipper, and a mini paw trimmer, ideal for detailing around the paws, ears, and face. With a low vibration and ultra-quiet motor under 50 dB, it's particularly helpful for skittish pets. Both devices are cordless and rechargeable, with the main clipper offering around 120 minutes of runtime. The kit includes comb attachments, oil, and cleaning tools. The mini trimmer is surprisingly powerful for its size and helps maintain hard-to-reach areas. This is a great list number 1isall dog clippers for grooming thick hair. Low-noise grooming kit with stainless steel blade designed specifically for heavily coated dogs. This grooming kit offers a stainless steel fixed blade that resists wear and provides clean cuts. The motor is quiet, yet powerful enough to glide through coarse fur without pulling. It includes adjustable guide combs for different hair lengths and an easy-to-read LED display to track battery life. With a rechargeable battery lasting 150 minutes, this clipper is reliable for longer sessions. The ergonomic design and lightweight build make it easy to handle, even for first-time groomers. List number 1isall dog clipper low noise, cordless grooming kit with rechargeable dog shaver. This budget-friendly option doesn't skimp on performance. It features a ceramic and stainless steel blade combo, offering sharp, safe cuts. With 60 to 90 minutes of cordless use, it's perfect for small to medium-sized dogs or quick touch-ups. The low noise level ensures a calm grooming experience, while the kit includes 4 guard combs, cleaning tools, and oil. It's a great choice for those who want a dependable cordless clipper without spending too much.